Yes, this is the rain. This video will be good for my rain videos. So I haven't uploaded in a while, guys, but hopefully this one works. I'm headed to the meat shop. Look at the rain. I'm all the way out here in Runaway Bay, in Salem, in Runaway Bay, St.Ann. Look at this. Oh man. It's raining a lot. But I have to do what I gotta do. This is a tire shop. Oh man, look at this. All right. This is like a mini flood. Oh man. Oh, look at this. I'm hoping that the meat shop is open. I might pause the video for a while and then continue, because I have to put the phone down to purchase what I'm purchasing. J&J Meat Mart.